Please, Mum, don't send me away. It's only until all this is over, and then life will get back to normal.
The story of Blitz is so emotional. A boy and his mother lose each other, and it's all about them trying to come back together.
I wanted to go on a journey through a child's eyes during war. And as he goes along, he sees things. He becomes less of a child and into something else.
When I was told about what kids were going through during the Blitz, I felt really bad because some kids would go and never come back. And being the parent, it must have been really heartbreaking.
I'm sorry to say it's been brought to our attention that your son did not arrive at his destination. Where is he? Where's my bleeding son?
These stories were there. What was extraordinary was the reality of what happened.
It felt very real and it was scary. But I felt humanity.
I jumped off the train because I want to go home.
So how the hell did you end up here?
Steve McQueen, apart from having a great cinematic eye, he tries to find the truth in his work.
He comes from the art world, and so visuals are how he tells his stories.
Everything about this film feels incredibly authentic. I think it's a true portrayal of London.
You don't have to stretch your imagination too far because you're completely immersed within this world.
There's so many different elements to it. Universal themes, regardless of time and space.
The importance of family really rings true. There's no place like home.
It's all about love. It's a love story between George and his mother.
It's not about stiff upper lip or keep calm and carry on. It's painful, but it's beautiful.
It's something that we can all relate to, and we always will.